Hi, Vin, and thank you so much for joining our Azure Cosmos DB Conf keynote. Could you describe how H&R Block has utilized Azure Cosmos DB to support both AI-enabled and non-AI applications, and what benefits have you observed from Cosmos DB in your applications?
Sure. We started our journey of cloud modernization several years ago, and we needed an ecosystem of services in Azure that all work together and on the Azure stack. So, one of the obvious ways to do that is to use cloud native services. And in our stack, we started using Azure Cosmos DB. And one of the reasons is because it offers schemaless data model with domain specific boundary driven data, enabling distributed replication and scaling features. Those were really important for most of our mission critical tier one tax systems, which we call modernized tax systems. Now, there are other AI enabled applications that we started to work on in the past few recent years, like 2 to 3 years. We started to, also use Cosmos DB for storing various types of other data that's specific to AI applications, such as chat history, user state, prompt variants, user feedback, etc. So the benefits, if I have to speak about the benefits, they are primarily around enhanced flexibility, scalability, operational efficiency, cloud adoption, which is going to be accelerated as you move through your rapid application development. All of that, enabled us to move faster to the cloud and then sustain that and mature in that space. One of the other things that I would like to highlight is it really enabled our event-driven architecture, microservices, and the fantastic JSON document support provides the ability to store high volumes of data attributes, which is really important for a fintech company like us.
That's really awesome. Could you share specific examples of how Cosmos DB enhanced your AI apps, such as the AI Text Assist feature, and the improvements in client satisfaction and conversion rates?
Absolutely. We launched AI Tax Assist almost, a couple of seasons ago, and since then we have seen a rapid adoption of it and incremental uplift in conversion of clients that use AI Tax Assist compared to those that did not, with also increase in conversion rates for new clients. So AI Tax Assist, the persistence layer or the backbone for it is Azure Cosmos DB. So we use all kinds of other Azure AI services in the architecture of the system, but Cosmos DB forms a key enabler in providing storage and data. So, like I said, chat history, user prompt variants, user feedback, benchmark testing data, all of that is supported by the storage that we have in Cosmos DB. The Azure and .NET ecosystem make it seamless to dive in, experiment, and deploy apps. And with our partnership with Microsoft, we have close collaboration and especially product support that also accelerates our solution to market becomes really possible.
It's very delightful to see the success when you success with a particular investment using our platform. Uh, how has the transition from SQL Server to Cosmos DB impacted the performance and scalability of your app, particularly during the peak tax season?
Sure. We still have many tax systems that still use SQL Server for RDBMS data to support critical operations. But we have several modern tax platform systems that use Cosmos DB. And because of its high scalability, um, navigating peaks of the tax season is not that difficult anymore. We're supporting high transactions volumes, achieving 400 to 1 million RUs, depending on the scalability. And also that enables us to prepare millions of tax returns during a very short period of time. And it becomes really important for us to ensure that the flexibility and operational efficiency, along with the scalability, make sure that the peak season goes without a hitch. So there are some things that we pay attention to for dynamic scaling and partitioning. But other than that, once you have matured enough to do that, then it all becomes part of the operations.
That's great. And today is a tax day in the United States. So this is your peak of peak, right? How is Cosmos DB working out for you?
No, it's been fantastic. We've had a great tax season. We look forward to finishing it really, really strong. And as I already mentioned, lots of things have come together, focusing on quality and resiliency. So over the past several years, we have made sure that we serve our clients, tax pros and associates, who all work. All of the associates always work and make sure that we serve our clients and tax pros first. And in order to do that, we need to have a very robust system in the cloud that can serve them during these peaks of the tax season, especially April 15th. And a couple of things I would like to mention is that when you look at some of the capabilities, especially Cosmos DB offers, along with a whole bunch of Azure services, one of the things that it has helped us do is streamline data gathering processes. And that really helps our tax pros and our engineering teams save time. And overall, I'm really excited about looking ahead all the capabilities that are recently part of the Cosmos DB feature list, especially vector search, the DiskANN support, the auto indexing data, analytics backing store, leading up to Fabric is another thing that we are looking forward to, and real-time BI layer. So those are four different capabilities that we are looking to experiment and in future hopefully adopt them. Thank you.
We're excited too. Thank you so much for joining our show and being our customer.
Thank you.